Do you know many people are having trouble with accessing the menu on their Nokia 235 4G? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Press Menu. Press the menu key using the scroll key from the home screen. Step 2. Navigate Options. Navigate through the options with the scroll key until you find your desired item. Step 3. Select Feature. Select the app or feature you want by pressing the scroll key. Step 4. Go back. Return to the previous menu or exit by using the End keys or on-screen backs option. Step 5. Lock Keypad. Lock the keypad to prevent accidental presses by selecting it from menu options or using a shortcut. Step 6. Unlock Keypad. Unlock the keypad with the key combination when you want to access it again. Now, you should be able to navigate your Nokia 235 4G menu with ease. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Nokia users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.